What's up everyone? CRP Film is back. So today I'm with Kirk.
Bruh.
Yay!
Wait a minute!
So guys,
And his name is
Yeah.
So today guys, we're heading to Rove Courtyard.
Amazing!
Okay, magkuwanta to guys, mag-drone, then mag-pickleball ta dito. Namin karon sa
San Agustin Cathedral.
Today, the Matrix Aircon CDO team is heading out for a fun day at Rove Courtyard. We're leaving downtown Cagayan de Oro and making our way to Dansalaihon. It's roughly a 30 to 40 minute drive, depending on traffic and road conditions.
Alright, so from here, downtown Cagayan de Oro to Rove Courtyard, I think nasa mga 30 minutes. 30 minutes lang siya guys, I think 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, kung gikan mi sa Lumbia, mga 15 minutes naman ang dagan. So estimate lang na ako from dire to Rove Courtyard yun, nasa mga 30 to 40 minutes lang guys. Pero makita na to kay karon kay start rate tarong biyahe is 9.
A little trip outside the city is always a good way to unwind. Today's plan is simple: enjoy, relax, and have fun together. And of course, we're here to play some pickleball. It's a great chance for the team to take a break from work. Some friendly competition, plenty of laughs, and good vibes are waiting for us. So let's see how the Matrix Aircon CDO team spends the day at Rove Courtyard. Let's go.
Nanata diri sa Lumbia. So from here going there mga 15 minutes na lang. Let's go. So malapit na tayo. So ito na 'yon.
Amazing!
And before tayo mag diyan, mag-ikot. Andyan na. Oo naman ni. Dollar no. Ay, mo na ni. May lapas.
Welcome to Rove Courtyard.
That was legitness!
Yeah, it was, huh?
This is love. This is love.
Wait a
This
minute!
is love. This is love. This is love.
Hi everyone. So today we are now here at Rove Courtyard.
Amazing!
So located lang ni siya guys diri sa Dansolihon. So along the highway lang siya, makita ninyo. So going there guys is going to Talakag na siya. Talakag Bukidnon, and then banda dia is pa Cagayan de Oro. So tara, ipakita na ko ninyo ang sulod. So last time di ba nakita ninyo ang video nato nga opening. So karon ipakita na pud ako ninyo ang Rove Courtyard. Let's go. If ever gusto niyo mag-rent dito guys ng overnight, pwede kayo dito matulog sa kanilang room. Ayan. Tara, tingnan natin.
This is Lance.
Ayan. Ayan. So, spacious ang room guys. So, daming makasya dito. Then may TV, ceiling fan, may water dispenser. Ayan. So, spacious. Ayan. So, basically ito yung ang court. Ayan. So, and then dito isang tree house. Tara, kaya tayo sa tree house. Ayan. Ayan guys, so ito na yung tree house. So, kita nyo yung court. Ayan. Ayan guys, so ang kagandaan dito sa Rove Courtyard is meron silang tree house. So pwede kayo magtambay-tambay dito while watching the game. Tambay kayo dito. Ayan, mag food trip. Then may konting space dito guys. Ayan. Ayan, makikita yung likod. Din dito din. So guys, ang kagandahan dito sa Rove Courtyard is that maraming mga fruit trees. So the environment is so clean and refreshing. So ma-relax ka talaga dito guys while playing the game. So, yun nga, marami sila mga fruit trees such as may mga ito, avocado. Yan,
Rambutan.
rambutan. So, ito siya klaseng rambutan, bro.
Juicy. Yan na juicy. Tapos
Juicy.
may maharlika na do.
Marlik, ano? Tapos may
Nangka.
nangka. Malapit lang to sa highway, along the highway lang. And then, di naman ganun siya kalayo sa CDO. Part pa rin ito ng Cagayan de Oro, guys. And then, mga from downtown, mga 30 to 40 minutes lang. So, yun nga. So, ito na yung court. Ang kaganda dito sa court, guys, is silica sand. Yun, so makita niyo yung court is napaka clean. And maganda yung design niya. Alright, so inviting everyone to visit Rove Courtyard. Located lang to siya, guys, dito sa May Dansulion, Cagayan de Oro. 30 to 40 minutes away lang siya from Cagayan de Oro. And from Lumbia, mga 15 minutes lang siya.
So nice ang area, guys. Guys, visit mo diri sa Rove Courtyard. Dire na mo pagdula, guys. Kay actually nice ra, tapos affordable po siya. Okay, let's go.
Ayan, pulutin natin yung bola. Power kay mga gamit, sir ba? Wala siguro na Shopee, sir.
30,000 na.
Sige, go bro.
Pwede i-bounce, pwede dili.
Muhon siya mo. Buwan man. Sige. Kain. Ano siya?
Ayan naman sa pakon, ganun.
Ayan. Okay. Water. Ano siya pang smash?
Yan yung masarap.
Yan na.
Ay, pasunod.
Angin, mansad, angin. Angin kasi tayo. One, zero, one.
Guys! Nakawan pa yung dilaw.
Ayan.
Ay, ay, baka. Baka, normal. Mine, mine.
Ayaw.
Nag-picture.
Oh, zero to.
Kasi hindi ko mapakan gamit.
One, two.
Aray ko. Dito. Ay, ay.
Asa ka pa?
Wala akong gawas na.
Kaya mapursa, no? Lagi?
Dagat na naman siya.
Ayan! Out!
Ay.
Ha! Ha! 4-3.
Ay.
8-3.
Inay, tingin na.
Ay, sus! Mangin.
Baila ka pa doon eh.
Taon, di ba?
Sige ma'am.
Sobra na. Ay, take po nito. Dagan niyo sila. Kunay mo balay. Dili mo salduan, bro.
Bye. Bye. Bye, Sildo.
Ape, day.
Ana. Pagtunga lang yun, ma'am. Ika nga ng machine. Ika nga ng machine. Ana, Tagalog. Kunin mo yan. Ano? Pagpanaog na ba? Ana. Ana.
Pro na na.
Ana.
Coach JL.
Puro sulutan. Ayaw lagi pa. Oh. Oh. Ay, daadri ang court oh, log ayo.
Ano mong coach?
Na. Nabi pa no.
If you're looking for a fun way to spend time with your team, this could be the place for you. Bring your friends, your teammates, or even your workmates and enjoy a game of pickleball together. You don't have to be a pro, just bring your energy and have fun. Whether you're here for the competition or simply to enjoy the game, there's something for everyone. So grab your paddle, gather your crew, and let the games begin. It's a great way to get active, relax, and create new memories together. And if you're from Cagayan de Oro, why not take a little trip out to Rove Courtyard? Enjoy the fresh surroundings, play a few rounds, and spend some quality time with your team. Who knows, you might even discover your new favorite sport. So, are you ready to play? Bring your crew and come experience the fun at Rove Courtyard. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to CRP Films for more adventures and stories worth creating.